이미 그렇게 전했습니다. 리플 구매 가능하지 않겠어요. Why?
All right, so I have the curtains up, and I definitely think that this space needed it for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and add that piece right there to the center. Sorry about the lighting. I think it's too small, so I'm gonna switch it out. All right, so I went with this one. Sorry about the lighting. It's just the windows are right there. It's a little bit longer. It's still not as big as I think this window needs. I think if it was a little bit bigger, it would look more proportionate and more luxurious too. So, but we're gonna go with this one for now. And what I like about it is that it has the white and this beige in it. So it, this is upside down. So it just matches the couch really nicely. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. So, and then it's got the fleur-de-lis, so it's just, you know, all right, my battery died, so, yeah. But I love how it turned out, and it matches the couch because there's like white detail and then that brown detail, which you can see is on the rug, on the couch. So it flows really nicely without, you know, drawing too much attention to it. I know it's kind of hard to see these features with the window, but the linen curtains are the exact bright white. Like, look at that. They match the couch perfectly. And I'm really glad I didn't get the Pottery Barn ones because they look exactly like this. And if these are 100% linen, like what's the difference? Where's the difference in quality? I don't know. Maybe it's there, but yeah, I really love these curtains, and I got them from Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But slowly it's coming along. I just have to take care of this back wall now. I still want to do a mirror, and I still want to do some pictures. If I don't end up doing the mirror effect, which I might not, but if I don't end up doing it, I'm gonna do a gallery wall. But it's gonna be like very structured, which even like saying that out loud kind of doesn't make sense. And when I mean structure, I mean like 3 rows, perfect lines. The photos are all, you know, in columns, even with each other. But I feel like that's more modern. I feel like to do something more vintage and Victorian, you'd have to kind of like, you know, one here, there kind of thing. So I guess one day at a time. But we did the curtains, so I'm really excited about that.
Dark hair and facial hair. Super respectful though. Like, just a vibe, you know what I mean?
How do you feel about the new stuff?
Left.
That was the original plan, but one of
Which one's the left?
I know, probably.
All right, so I really love the look of this patio set. The one thing that I feel like I'm gonna have to do is somehow tie down these cushions on the ottoman, because I just know they're just gonna fly off. So I'm gonna have to do some type of DIY, which will be easy. I think I'll just get some like ribbon and then just cut a hole and then weave it through here. Unless you have a better idea, let me know. This is a 5-piece set and you're looking at 3 pieces. So 2 pieces are chairs and they did not arrive. So I thought originally in the bigger box, I thought the bigger box had like all of the pieces, wicker pieces, and the smaller box I thought it was all cushions, but no, the big box was that and the small box were those. So, but I already messaged the seller, see if they'll be able to send out the 2 matching chairs, because I got it for all the pieces. So anyway, so there's that, and you can see that I moved those over there, so they look lovely. I'm just gonna try to like keep up with the weather though, and try to just like wheel them in when we have rainy weather, so, which will probably be nightly, but that's okay. And I mean like bad rain, not like anything light. But anyways, I love the way that it looks, because that dark wood just complements the house. But I'm sweating, like I already have to go shower and change clothes, but I can't because I have to still take Loki for his nightly walk, so I'm gonna be in sweat for a while, which is